Guys, Jasmycoin just hit $1 billion in market cap. We are back. We are so back. If you're paying attention to the screen, the price of Jasmy is currently seated at 0.020, that is 2 cents. The market cap is currently at $1 billion in market cap. Trading volume is gradually increasing as well. Now, if you I specifically showed you guys this zone in our previous video. We said the moment Jasmy is flipping this resistance zone around 0.081 into a support, we should begin to expect a further price move to the upside. That was when I drew this what's it called, this part you get. So this projection, I think let's just take this projection out now. So what happened? Jasmy flipped that zone into a support and it has reached the price target we gave, which was 2 cents. Now we need to see Jasmycoin flip that 2 cents into a support in order to continue with this momentum. Now this 2 cents is a significant resistance area. I need to make that clear to you guys now. We are going to be talking about the next price move for Jasmycoin. Before we proceed, my name is Isaac. For those new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video like this. If you're here to give this video a thumbs up, smash the like button, like this video, destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Now, I think a lot of people are still going to be taken by surprise. I've said that countless times. You get the price of the market cap of Jasmy is currently seated at 1 billion, and sooner or later we are going to begin to climb to 5 billion, 10 billion, 15, and also 25 billion respectively. And it's going to take a lot of people are going to regret not buying into the dip we had previously. Now, if you're paying attention to the daily performance alone, look at the chart. The chart is looking extremely bullish. The correction has been, recovery from the previous correction has been very healthy. Let's even enter the 7-day price performance. Look at the 7-day chart. The chart is looking extremely bullish. Extremely. And I specifically, if you guys still remember, I gave you guys an entry here, a precise entry with a precise price. We got an entry here. I think we also got an entry here, right? This was the first entry we got. I told you guys this breaker block is going to be a reversal. And when we got there, we got a massive pump to the upside. Now, I also told you guys in one of the most recent video that you should place your order around the 0.014. That if Jasmy should correct there, we are going to get a bounce from there. We got a bounce from there as well. Now, the truth of the matter is, let's not roll out a correction or a rejection probability here. And we might maybe just reject or correct to around 0.019 or or maybe back to 0.0189 or 188 for the price of Jasmycoin. But the moment we are flipping that zone into a support once again, I think it's going to be a moonshot. And if that is not happening now, then we need to just see Jasmycoin flip this 2 cent zone into a support. Flip this 2 cent zone into a support and then take another massive leg up all the way to 6 cent zone. Let's even enter the daily time frame to see what's up real quick. Now, this is the daily time frame. We're going to be looking at the BTC Dominance. You understand? A lot is happening on the BTC Dominance right now. The dominance is retracing aggressively. A lot is happening on the TOTA2 market cap, including BTC price chart as well. But let's just go back to Jasmy. Now, the daily time frame is looking healthy for the price of Jasmycoin. And if you're paying attention, according to the daily time frame chart, the 2 cent zone is a significant resistance area. That is to say, the moment we are taking out that 2 cent zone, then the rest is going to just be a walkover for the price of Jasmycoin. That is when we can begin to see the price get to 3 cents. By the time we flip the 3 cent zone into a support, then nothing is stopping us from getting to 6 cents, which a lot of people might, some persons, let me not say a lot, some persons might begin to take profit around 6 cents. Now, the moment we get to 6 cents, getting to 8 cents and 12 cents would be so easy. Now, a lot of people, I have to be sincere with you guys now, lots of people are going to take profit when we get to 12 cents, 18 cents, and also 24 cents. But by the time we are able to flip the 24 cent into a support, then that is it. That is when you can begin to see Jasmy at around 50 cent, $1 price. If you're paying attention to the BTC dominance on the 4-hour time frame, you would notice the BTC dominance is currently having a massive rejection, which is what we've been like waiting for, we've been anticipating like forever. You get now, the dominance correction began 7th of May 2025. And if you're going to the BTC chart, you would notice something happened on that 7th of May as well. BTC began to pump from the $96,000 zone that exact 7th of May all the way to $105,000. And I think BTC is trying to make her way to the $107,000, $108,000 zone before we get a correction. And if the correction is happening, then you guys should like set your limit order around 97K and 96K zone to like get an entry, because we are definitely going to get a pump from there. But what am I saying in essence? Remember, I've like said this countless times in our YouTube videos that the moment you start seeing the BTC dominance like correct aggressively and you see the BTC price pumping, then altcoins are going to pump. Now, these are altcoins. Now, we are currently at the total 2 altcoin market cap excluding BTC chart. And we are currently on the 4-hour time frame. Now, at exactly May 7, 2025 was when altcoin began to pump as well, when the BTC dominance begins her correction. So we need to see the BTC dominance correct aggressively to the downside, and we need to see BTC pump in order for altcoins to pump aggressively. Like my portfolio was initially down minus 80 something percent, but the last time I checked a couple of hours ago, I'm now at around minus 62%. That is to tell you altcoins are aggressively recovering now gradually after about 5 or 6 months of we being under the water, sad, depressed, angry about our portfolio. By the time you see BTC pumping and the dominance dumping, just know altcoins are going to rally hard. And if BTC is consolidating and the dominance is dumping, altcoins are still going to pump. So we are gradually moving into the altcoin season we all have been waiting for. Now, if you're paying attention to the BTC dominance chart on the daily time frame, we've had 4 or 5? We've had 5 consecutive bearish candles on the BTC dominance. The dominance corrected all the way from 65.38% and is currently at 62.77. It dropped all the way to, let me check it out real quick. It dropped all the way to 62.50%. Let's even drop to the 1 month time frame, because that has been the time frame we've like talked about countless times on our YouTube videos. Now we are currently left with 19 days and 16 hours for this monthly candle to close. The moment the next monthly candle is opening bearishly again below this current candle, then guys, that is a clear indication we are now officially in an altcoin season. Now, let me like arrange this chart real quick, because historically, this market cycle had like a slight change, like a lot of stuff changed. Things were not like moving the way they used to since the inception of the overall cryptocurrency market, you get. But still, that is not going to like stop our altcoin season. It can only like prolong it or change the date, the period, the seasons and all that. Now, historically, according to the last market cycle, the BTC dominance bottomed in May 2021. Same thing happened in the market cycle between 2017 and 2018. The BTC dominance bottomed in May 2018 as well. That is to say, May is usually an aggressive, like Q1 is of the ending part of the market cycle is usually an aggressive bullish month, bullish season. But just that reverse was the case this time around for this market cycle. But if the BTC dominance is to bottom around the same zone, which is 39.36%, then we should be expecting a 40% correction, which we've so far had 4% correction. That is to say, we are left with 36% correction. And if the BTC dominance is correcting minus 36%, the cryptocurrency market is going to explode. The altcoins are going to be pumping aggressively non-stop. If you're paying attention to the altcoins in the last 7 days alone, most of the altcoins have had a decent and a healthy recovery from the dip we've been like several months ago. They are performing well now. Now, imagine when the BTC dominance just dropped minus 4% too, and altcoins are already going nuts, going parabolic. Now, imagine when the BTC dominance drops minus 36%. That is when you can begin to like see your portfolio increase on a daily basis, minus plus 100%, 200, 300, 400%, 10x, 100x. I'm going to be making more video for you guys now on altcoins to position early, you understand, in order to catch up with this rally and to make the easy 10x to 1000x return. The videos will start rolling on my channel today. So that's that for that. You guys just need to hold on to your horses very, very well. This is not the time to panic sell at all because we haven't even started. Yesterday was great for the cryptocurrency fear and greed index. Yesterday was great. Today is still reading greed. By the time we get to the extreme greed zone, that is indicating a very ultra bullish market sentiment, and it can stay on that extreme greed zone for weeks and even months. So let's see how it goes. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. Whatever I say is strictly my own opinion and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. Like this video if you haven't already, please. Smash the like button, destroy the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Share this video with your friends and family so that they can like get an eye opener, understand what is really going on in the crypto market. As always, my name is Isaac. Peace out.